Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Klarna customer service. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down klarna.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage, what you need to do is scroll all the way to the bottom here. From here select this customer service. And over here scroll a bit down again and you need to select your country. Over here as I'm going to select this United States. And from here, you need to select any of the issue here. If you issue with your Klarna card, payments or refunds, you can simply open from the category here. If you have any questions relatable to it, you can simply open a question again. And here you'll get this instruction as well. And if you need more help, what you need to do is you can simply go back. From here, you need to scroll a bit down. And over here, you'll get this call customer service. You need to simply call to this number and the opening hours is 24/7. And before contacting this customer service, make sure you have your account information ready for identity verification. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.